Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, dear brothers and sisters. Today, we delve into a beautiful aspect of Islam wudu. This act of ablution is an integral part of a Muslim's life. It is a ritual cleansing that prepares us for prayer, one of the 5 pillars of Islam. More than just a physical washing, wudu is a spiritual purification. It allows us to connect with Allah, SWT, with a clean body and a focused mind. Imagine a pristine stream, its waters sparkling under the sun. As you dip your hands, you feel refreshed and invigorated. This is the essence of wudu. It washes away impurities, leaving you feeling cleansed and renewed. Just as we wouldn't dream of approaching someone important without presenting our best selves, wudu allows us to stand before Allah, SWT, in a state of purity and respect. The act of wudu is simple yet profound. It involves washing specific parts of the body with clear, pure water. This physical act symbolizes the cleansing of our hearts and minds from worldly distractions. With each splash of water, we are reminded of Allah's, SWT, infinite mercy and our commitment to Him. As we perform wudu, let us reflect on its significance and strive to perfect this beautiful act of worship. Why is wudu so important in Islam? Firstly, it is a prerequisite for prayer. Allah, SWT, commands us to be in a state of purity when we stand before Him. Just as we wouldn't enter a mosque with dirty shoes, we should not approach Allah, SWT, without purifying ourselves. Wudu serves as that purification, cleansing our physical bodies. However, the beauty of wudu extends beyond the physical realm. It is a deeply spiritual practice that cleanses our hearts and minds. As we wash our faces, we seek refuge in Allah, SWT, from arrogance and pride. Washing our hands symbolizes the cleansing of our actions, while wiping our heads signifies our intention to follow the straight path. Wudu serves as a reminder of Allah's, SWT, constant presence in our lives. With each drop of water, we renew our commitment to Him. When we perform wudu with sincerity and mindfulness, our hearts soften, and our connection with Allah, SWT, strengthens. While wudu is a simple act, there are common mistakes that people make. These mistakes can invalidate our wudu and consequently, our prayers. It is crucial to be aware of these errors to ensure that our worship is accepted. One common mistake is rushing through the steps of wudu. Remember, wudu is not just about going through the motions. It is an act of worship that requires focus and intention. Take your time with each step, ensuring that you have thoroughly washed each part. Another mistake is not washing the entire area required for each part. For example, some people may not wash their entire face, including the area between the hairline and the chin. Similarly, when washing the arms, it is essential to wash from the fingertips to the elbows, not just the hands and wrists. These seemingly small details are crucial for a valid wudu. By paying attention to these details and performing wudu with care, we demonstrate our reverence for Allah, SWT, and ensure that our worship is accepted. Let us now go through the steps of wudu in detail. Firstly, make the intention in your heart that you are performing wudu for the pleasure of Allah, SWT. Then begin by saying Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Wash your hands thoroughly up to the wrists, ensuring that the water reaches between your fingers. Next, take a handful of water and rinse your mouth 3 times. Then, cleanse your nostrils by sniffing water in and exhaling it forcefully, again, 3 times. Wash your face 3 times from the hairline to the chin and from ear to ear. Ensure that the area under your chin is also washed. Wash your arms from the fingertips to the elbows, ensuring that the water reaches all areas, including the elbows themselves. Then, wipe your head with water, starting from the front of your head and bringing your hand to the back, and then back to the front. Finally, wash your feet thoroughly, up to the ankles, making sure to clean between your toes. It is recommended to use your little finger to clean between the toes. This completes the steps of wudu.